In this lesson, we will learn how to divide a mixed fraction. We will go through these three examples and understand each and every step. So let's start with first one. So the first problem is 3 and 1 over 2 divided by 1 and 3 over 4. So to divide it, we have to convert these mixed fraction into normal improper fraction. So how do we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction? To convert it, we keep this denominator at the same position and we have to multiply this 3 by 2 and add this which are in the numerator, and same we do with this fraction. So we keep this 4 here and we have to multiply this 4 by 1. So 4 times 1 plus we add this 3 which is in the numerator. So let's solve it. 3 times 2 gives us 6 plus 1 over 2 divided by 4 times 1 gives us 4 plus 3 divided by 4. So 6 plus 1 gives us 7 over 2 divided by 3 plus 4 plus 3 gives us 7 over 4. So now we have the real problem, which is a fraction is divided by the fraction. So how do we solve a fraction when a fraction is divided by another fraction? So we keep the first fraction same and we convert this division sign into multiplication sign, and we convert this fraction into its reciprocal, means this 7 will become the denominator of this fraction and this 4 will become the numerator of this fraction. So 4 will become numerator, so 4, and the 7 will become the denominator, so this 7. So let's reduce this fraction if it is possible. So this 7 and this 7 is divided by itself, 7 times 1 and 7 times 1, and this 4 and this 2 will divided by the 2, 2 times 1 and 2 times 4, 2 times 2 is 4. So we have 1 over 1 times 2 over 1. So how do we multiply this fraction? We multiply the fraction by multiplying the denominator with the denominators and the numerator with the numerators. So 1 is multiplied by 2 will become 2, and 1 is multiplied by 1, it will give us 1. So it is equals to 2, because in the denominator whenever is 1, it doesn't mean anything. We can rewrite it like 2. So the 2 is our final answer. Moving to the next problem. So the next problem is 3 over 4 and 1 over 3 divided by 2 over 5. So let's convert this fraction, this mixed fraction, into normal fraction. So how do we convert it? We do it earlier. So how do we convert it? Keep this 3 in the denominator and multiply this 4 by this 3, means 4 times 3, and add this plus 1 divided by 2 over 5. So 4 times 3 gives us 12 plus 1 over 3 divided by 2 over 5. 12 plus 1 gives us 13 divided by 3 divided by 2 over 5. The mixed fraction is converted into normal improper fraction. So, how do we divide it? We divide it by keeping the first fraction as it is, and we convert this division sign into multiplication, and we convert this right side fraction into its reciprocal, means this 5 will become numerator and this 2 will become denominator. So 5 times 2. So reduce this if it is possible. So this 3 and this 13 and this 3, we cannot divide it. It is not reducible. So let's multiply numerator to the numerator and denominator to the denominator. So 16 times 5 gives so 16 times 5 gives us 65 over 3 times 2 gives us 6. So this will be our final answer. So our next problem is 5 divided by 1 and 1 over 3. So how do we convert it? Let's rewrite it like 5 divided by, we have to convert this mixed fraction into normal improper fraction. So how do we convert it? We keep this 3 at its place and we multiply this 3 by this 1. So 3 times 1 plus we add this which is a numerator into here. So 5 divided by 3 times 1 will gives us 3 plus 1 over 3. So 5 divided by 3 plus 1 gives us 4 over 3. Now we have these fraction. We can put 1 in the denominator. It doesn't change the value of fraction. So we have two fractions which are in division. So how do we solve it? We keep this first fraction at the same position and we change this symbol into multiplication and we convert this fraction into its reciprocal, means this 4 will become denominator and this 3 will become numerator. So 3 times 4. And think that is it reducible? So if we see that this 5 and this 1 is not reducible, this 4 and this 3 is also not reducible. So let's multiply these numerator by the numerator and the denominator by the denominator. So 5 times 3 gives us 15 and 1 times 4 gives us 4. So our final answer is 15 over 4. So if you learn anything from this video, please subscribe the channel and do hit the like button. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.